Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes. Today, we will walk through the steps to download and install Eclipse. Step 1. Downloading Eclipse. Open your web browser and navigate to Eclipse.org, which is the official website of Eclipse. You may also use Google to search for Eclipse and click on the first link that appears. On the website, click the download button, then click it again. Let's wait a few seconds for the download to begin. If it does not start in a few seconds, click here to begin the download. Step 2. Installing Eclipse. In order to begin the installation process, navigate to the location where the file was saved and double-click on it. The following prompt will appear. Click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and then click on the Install button. The installation may take several minutes depending on the speed of your computer. The Launch button will appear after the installation is complete. Click on it to proceed. During this step, you will be prompted to select a default workspace location for saving Eclipse project files. You can keep the default setting or change it to a location of your choice. To proceed, click on the Launch button. Congratulations on the successful installation of the software. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy coding.